Hey, I'm Dan Fitzpatrick at StockMarketMentor.com, and this is my last video for free for a week. I'm out for all next week and won't be showing up until Tuesday. So, with that said, I'm leaving you with Zimmer. Now, this was on a real solid breakout today. The thing that I like about this situation is the stock's been basically trading sideways for all year, and it's been zigging around. You know, it had the one big gap up here, and that was an earnings thing, and then came down and has been gradually tightening up. So it had been, you know, you see these lines here gradually tightening up, and at the same time, volume kind of swooned a little bit. We like stocks that are running sideways for an extended period of time on declining volume in a tightening trading range. I mean, it's about as textbook as you can get. And so we finally get the breakout today on massive volume, really good volume, closing very high, you know, close to the intraday high. I mean, like really close. And so this is exactly what you want to see. Anytime you can take a stock like this, hey man, be my guest. It's all you. So that's all I have here. I don't have much to say. Buy this thing and make money. Make sure you have a stop, and have a good week. Bye.